A pair of dice is rolled. What's the probability that, so here, ito yung ating mga event. Okay, so what is the probability that the sum of two outcomes is 7? So, kailangan ilista muna natin yung sample space for the total possible outcomes. So, ilan ba dito yung outcome ay 7 kapag i-add? So, ito, 1 plus 6, yun, 7 yan. Then, 2 and 5. Sunod ay 3 and 4. Pag i-add natin yan ay 7. Then, 4 and 3. Sunod ay 5 and 2. At 6 and 1. So, yun. So, ilan lahat yung outcomes na pag yan ay 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, yung favorable outcome natin ay 6. And then, ilan lahat yung possible outcomes? So, pag bilangin natin ito lahat, meron tayong 36. So, ngayon, pwede pang ang lowest term. So, ang lowest term ng 6 over 36, i-divide pa sa 6, may magiging 1 over 6. So, ang sagot sa letter A is, so what is the probability that the sum of two outcome is 7 when rolling a pair of die is 1 over 6. Okay. So, next, subukan natin sagutan yung number 2. So, when a pair of dice rolled, what is the probability that a 3 or 5 comes out? So, bibilangin natin kung ilang beses lumabas yung 3 or 5 dito sa sample space. Okay, 1, 3, 2, so yan din yung 5. So, yung 3 and 5 ang hanapin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, 20 yung favorable outcome dito. And yung total number of outcomes is 36. So, i-lowest term natin to. Pag i-lowest term natin yan, i-divide pareho sa 4. Magiging 5 over 9 yung sagot. Ito, sa letter B. So, ganun lang kasimple, no? Una, ilista muna yung mga possible outcomes o yung sample space. Kailangan kompleto and then, nalista na, magiging madali na lang yung pagkuha ng probability. Kasi magbibilang lang naman kayo. Halimbawa nito, letter C. Both outcomes are even. So, bilangin mo lang lahat kung ang order ko sa ang outcome dito, puro even. Then, a pair of 6 comes out. And then, multiple 25 numbers. And the sum of the number is 9 or 10. Okay?